Call forwarding on Android. Our call forwarding feature allows calls coming into your TextMe number to be forwarded to any number, such as your home phone number, office, or any other number. However, please note that this feature is available for our premium users only. To enable this feature, please follow these steps. First, make sure you're a premium subscriber. Then go to the number screen, which is quickly accessible via the lower navigation. From the number screen, tap on the number you wish to forward. Then tap Call Forwarding. From this call forwarding screen, simply click on the Enable Call Forwarding toggle to On. Once the toggle is turned on, simply enter the number you want to forward your TextMe calls to, then click Forward when finished. Please note that some restrictions apply. For instance, calls forwarded to international numbers will be charged credits.